What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing something a little different from things I normally do. I'm building a Halloween themed desk. I got a piece of spruce pine here, 3/4, and I got some 3/4 by 1/8 inch angle iron, which I have cut to size already and mitered. I also have some 1 inch square tube 100 wall tubing for the legs. And then we'll be cutting out some decorative stuff afterwards. So let's get going. Alright guys, the desk or shelf as you could use it is all done. It's all welded up, square. I ran these 3/8 round stock for support to keep it nice and square. And I cut out these little bats and welded them in on each side to give it a Halloween theme. See if the wood fits. Drops right in nice. I also made this little coffin shelf to go with it. I'd say it came out pretty good.